Start. Learned counsel for the appellant has contended before us today that the appointment letter of 28th May 1991 is a tampered document. The appellant was in fact appointed as an assistant librarian, but the appointment letter was subsequently changed to library assistant. It is further submitted that this mistake was pointed out to the respondent and thereafter a correction was made and her designation was corrected as assistant librarian, wide letter dated 7th January 1998. Learned counsel further submits that in the light of the prayers made in the writ petition, the respondents be directed to grant the appellant scale of rupees 4,000 for the post of assistant librarian, which post she was holding from the date of her appointment, along with arrears of pay and allowances, and further grant her rupees 6,500 on completion of 12 years of service with effect from July 2003, as well as the arrears thereof, along with interest at the rate 12% per annum. Learned counsel has drawn the attention of the court to the photocopy which is filed at page 91 of the paper book to show that initially the post typed in the appointment letter was assistant librarian, which was thereafter corrected and library assistant has been typed, and thus it is submitted that the respondent has tampered with her appointment letter. We find no force in the contention raised after carefully perusing the document, which has been placed at page 91 of the paper book, which is a photocopy of the appointment letter. No doubt there has been some cutting and it is not legible as to what was written and scored off, but what we do find is that the word library assistant has been written above the scored word. What persuades us to disagree with the appellant is that in the third line again the word library assistant has been typed, and in this portion of the document there is no cutting. The appellant has not been able to prove through any other cogent reason that the document is tampered with, and thus we cannot accept this contention on behalf of the appellant. Additionally, we find that by a communication dated 7th January 1998, the petitioner was promoted to the post of assistant librarian. We find that this office order was issued nearly 7 years after the letter of 1991, and even in this office order it was mentioned that the appellant was working as an library assistant, and from the post she was being promoted as an assistant librarian. Therefore, we have no doubts that the initial appointment of the appellant was actually to the post of library assistant. We may also note that neither the letter of 28th May 1991 nor of 7th January 1998 was ever challenged by the appellant at the appropriate time, and in fact, on being questioned, the learned counsel concedes that there is no challenge even in the present petition. Despite such clear documents such as the advertisement and the appointment letter clearly showing the post of library assistant, the appellant has been taking a consistent stand that she was appointed as an assistant librarian. So thanks guys, please like and subscribe our channel.